Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about inverse of a 3 times 3 matrix. Suppose that we have a 3 times 3 size matrix A, then the matrix A is invertible if and only if this expression is different from 0. To get this expression, first we cross out the row and the column containing the first element of the first row will be this. We are left with this minor. Then we take this minor multiply by A, this one. Then we repeat this process for the second and third elements of the first row. Finally, these terms are combined with alternating signs plus, minus, plus. That's it. I'll give you a detailed information about this expression. This expression is called a determinant of a matrix, and we use these notations, this one or this one, for the determinant of the matrix. As you see here, to get this expression, first I took the first row, but if you want, you can delete each row or each column here. And the determinant of any n times n size matrix can be found by expanding in this manner on any row or column. I'll give you detailed information about the determinants in the next lessons. To define the inverse of a 3 times 3 size matrix, it's used this expression. As you see here, the inverse of A is equal to 1 over the determinant of A, this, times the transpose of adjoint matrix of A. That's it. Example. Determine the inverse matrix of A. Let's first find the determinant of A. You know that for the determinant of A, we use this notation or this one. E is equal to, first we delete the first row and first column. Then the first term will be 3 times this minor, 0 minus 2, 1, 1, minus, then we delete the first row and second column, and take 0 and the minor of 2 minus 2, 0, 1. 0 times 2 minus 2, 0, 1, plus, then we delete the first row and last column, and take 2 times the minor of 2, 0, 0, 1. It will be 6 minus 0 plus 4 is 10, which is different from 0. From the previous lesson, you know that the adjoint matrix of A is this one. Two minus 2, 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 10, 0. Then we use our formula for the inverse of A. This is 1 over the determinant of A times the transpose of adjoint matrix of A. This expression is equal to 1 over determinant of A is 10 times the transpose of this matrix, 2 minus 2, 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 10, 0, this. From here, it will be, you know that the transpose of this matrix will be this. 2 minus 2, 2, 2, 3 minus 3, 0, 10, 0. This expression will be the inverse of A. That's all. We have an important remark here. For the larger matrices, we follow exactly the same steps to find the inverse. And I will talk about this method in the lecture of determinant. See you guys next lesson.